Imagine this. You're standing outside on a quiet night. The sky looks calm, still, peaceful. But what if I told you that everything you've ever seen, every star, every planet, every galaxy, is just a tiny drop in a cosmic ocean so huge, your brain physically cannot process its size? Tonight, we're going to unwrap a question bigger than everything. How big is the universe? For thousands of years, humans looked up at the night sky and believed the universe ended with the stars we could see. But today, thanks to NASA, the Hubble Space Telescope, and the James Webb Telescope, we know the truth. The universe is not just big, it's limitless on a scale we can barely imagine. So let's begin at home, with Earth. Our planet is part of the solar system, orbiting a star that is one of 100 billion stars inside the Milky Way. If you could hop into a spaceship and fly at the speed of light, 186,000 miles per second, it would still take you 8 minutes just to reach the sun. To escape our solar system, over a year. And that's only the beginning. Now picture this. If the solar system were the size of a coin, the Milky Way galaxy would be the size of North America. Let that sink in. Our galaxy is wide, 100,000 light years across. That means if you were traveling at light speed, it would take you 100,000 years just to cross from one edge to the other. Inside this vast spiral are hundreds of billions of stars, many with their own planets, worlds we haven't even discovered yet. And here's the mind-blowing part. The Milky Way is just one galaxy. Point your finger at the night sky, pick a random spot. Now imagine that tiny dot filled with thousands of galaxies stacked behind each other like cosmic wallpaper. Thanks to deep space telescopes, we now estimate there are at least 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. 2 trillion. That's 2 trillion giant cities of stars. If the Milky Way were a grain of sand, the observable universe would be a beach stretching for miles and miles. So what's the size of all this? Right now, scientists believe the observable universe is about 93 billion light years across. Not 93 million, 93 billion. But here's the twist. We can only see the part of the universe whose light has reached us. Beyond that, there could be more galaxies, more space, even entire regions of the cosmos that follow different laws of physics. Some scientists think the universe might even be infinite. So, how big is the universe? Big enough that our entire solar system is just a speck. Big enough that our galaxy is a dust particle. Big enough that everything we've ever discovered is nothing more than a drop in a cosmic ocean. And the most incredible part, the universe is still expanding. Every second that passes, space stretches, galaxies drift apart. New regions of the universe appear that we've never seen before. We live inside a universe that is not only massive, but constantly growing. The truth is simple. The universe is bigger than anything the human mind can fully imagine. But that's what makes it beautiful. Because the more we discover, the more mystery awaits us. If you enjoy this journey into the cosmos, make sure to like, subscribe, and explore more mysteries of our universe. Because out there, there's always more to uncover.